Replace the rollers on the HP ScanJet Pro 4200 S1 scanner series. Press the power button to turn off the scanner. Disconnect the power cable and the USB or Ethernet cable. Open the front cover of the document feeder. Locate the pickup roller cover latch. Press the latch towards the left, rotate the top edge down, and then remove the old roller assembly. Insert the left end of the new roller shaft into the bore on the scanner, and then push the right end into the clip. Rotate the roller assembly up until it clicks into place. Locate the separation rollers. Press the roller latch to the right, and then pull the edge out to remove the old roller assembly. Insert the right end of the new roller assembly into the clip on the scanner, and then push the left end into the clip until it clicks into place. Close the front cover. Reconnect the power cable and the USB or Ethernet cable. Press the power button to power on the scanner.